Welcome to Dark Creation Studios, and welcome to the third and final part on how to draw cartoon hands, 3 ways. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so now we can move on to our third and final hand. So like before, we're going to start off with the circle, and we'll come down with this line, and then we could draw in the arc for the fingers. Now we'll come out with the thumb on the left right here, and this will be more at like a relaxed state. And then from there we'll start putting in the fingers, so you can see coming down, and then the rest of the fingers will be kind of like going in the same motion, as you can see right here. And then we'll just be curving around the circle, heading up. Next we could drop in our wrist coming down, and we'll just connect everything back. Alright, nice. Pretty simple, right? The last one was, and just like before guys, we're gonna grab our selector tool and we just gonna shrink down the hand to make it the same size as the rest. And lastly, we'll do a bit of cleaning up. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the sketch. We're gonna kick it into time lapse to do all the inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we back after the time lapse, and I just have to say it's actually good to be back, doing these videos. And also it feels really good to say this. And bam! There you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.